Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Wi-Fi router admin panel. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so what you have to do is go to search and you have to search for control panel. Once you are in your control panel, as you can see network over here, you have to open this one, network sharing center. After that you have to click over here, and as you can see over here details. On details you can see over here IP. You can see over here your IP is this. I have already copied over here. You can see it's similar, this one over here and this one. After you have copied this one, you have to go in Google, open a new tab, and after that you have to copy. You have to just put over here copy and paste, and after it will open this kind of, and you are wondering what is the username and password. You have to type over here admin, copy this admin, and you have to paste. Also in password you have to paste and click over here sign in. And as you can see over here guys, your details will appear over here. If you want, you can change your password, you can change your username. It's so many different things you can change. So guys, in this video it was this only. So I hope this video was little helpful for you. So please leave a like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching till then. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends. Thanks for watching.